Hello happy snappers, welcome to the 3 channel. Today we're talking Snapchat, but more importantly we're going to be exploring some of those features you may have ignored but we think you shouldn't have. We've always loved Snapchat for all the creative, hilarious and mischievous ways it allows us to express ourselves and entertain our friends. My name is Alan and this is Discovery with 3. You can regularly see us trying out the newest filter, updating our Bitmoji and recently having fun with our very own Puggerfly. So we're going to go a little deeper into the midst of Snapchat, exploring Bitmojis, the Friends map and the new group chat. Bitmojis may just be our favourite part of Snapchat. They have a tendency of ending up all over our messages to our friends and family. We have a particular fondness for the interactive stickers, but have you ever wondered how to personalise whose Bitmoji you're interacting with? Well, when you're in a group chat, you can access the stickers by clicking here, giving you tons of ways of expressing yourself with a friend. This is one of my favourites. To change the other person, press down on any sticker with 2 Bitmojis and it will show you a host of friends in the chat. It really is that simple. Next up is the underrated Discover function on Snapchat. Hit the magnifying glass at the top of the screen and you can view a map of what is going on in the world of Snap. From friends who are sharing their location, to popular events, just places in the world that are currently a hive of activity. Click on the hot areas on the heat map and you'll be transported there via the local user's snaps. Or hold the map to share a screenshot. Press on one of your friends and you will zoom in on their Bitmoji and can interact with them and the rest of your location sharing pals. You can swipe left or right to go around the world via your friends' locations and see your own, even if you're not sharing your location. You can tell if sharing is off by the snap ghost hiding your face. Once you've found the person you want, hold on your friend's name at the bottom of the screen and you can go straight into a snap, a chat or a video call. Talking of video calls, who's checked out the new group video call? A great new way of catching up with everyone at once. As with all things Snap, it's easy to get going. Just find the group you want to chat with, press the video call button and you're away. And because it's Snapchat, you can still add a filter to your video self to keep things fun. Sounds like our kind of business call. Just don't go waking up a group of friends in the middle of the night. We love snapping away and hope you've enjoyed today's episode. You really have no excuses not to get Snapchat happy. Remember, if you like our videos, please subscribe below and we'll see you next time.